We've been training this species of monkey for weeks now. I think he's good to come out of his cage.
No, crap.
His trainer. He is a real and he's really eager to get out. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. It's okay. Naughty. Naughty. You want your treat? Treat, buddy. You want a treat? This is his favorite snack. The gummy lightsaber. Want your treat, buddy? Want your treat? Do a trick. Do a trick. That's worthy of a treat. Good boy. Good boy. Do another trick? No. No, don't touch. Naughty. Naughty little boy. Want another treat?
No.
Say, he's attacking me! He's attacking! He's attacking!